Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview, our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. All times are Eastern time, so let's get started. All right, so our first trade of the week is going to be Monday at 8 o'clock, the Empire State Manufacturing Report, and then at 11:30, we'll be back in the trade room for a family money trade, the NOPA Crush Oilseed Report. Now, Monday, Empire State will be our first stream of the week. Tuesday, Canada Core CPI, 8 o'clock, with retail sales, US, that's a family money trade. And then we'll just be watching industrial production, but I think we'll jump into the room to take a quick look at that on Tuesday at 9. Then we'll be back in the room at 12:30 p.m. for the 20-year bond auction and the API report at 4 p.m., which is a family money trade. Wednesday, we'll be watching the British CPI, PPI. We're not going to have a trade room, that's at 2 a.m., nor will we have a trade room for the European core CPI at 5 a.m. We'll also be watching that. Those are reports that could move their respective markets, the British pound and the euro. Wednesday at 8 a.m., we'll be in the room for our first Wednesday event, building permits and housing starts. Crude oil at 10 a.m., the big report of the month, FOMC statement at 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday. Obviously, it's expected that the Fed is going to drop rates. How much? 25 points? 50 basis points? You can bet your house it'll be 25 basis points. They don't want to scare everybody to death. 6:30 p.m. we'll be looking at the New Zealand quarterly GDP, not GDP CPI. The beauty of instantaneous editing lets me take out that CPI, so I don't have to re-record this whole video. And then Wednesday at 9:15, we've got the Australia employment report. That's 9:15 p.m. to finish off Wednesday. Thursday, we'll be in the room for a quick Bank of England official bank rate event, 6:45 in the morning, back at 8 a.m. for unemployment claims in Philly Fed, and then 9:45 for two events, existing home sales and the natural gas storage report. If our testing shows that FedEx merits a trade room, keep an eye on your email. We'll throw up a trade room on Thursday at about 3:45 p.m. Right now, we don't have a room scheduled. We're just going to do some testing. FedEx hasn't really been doing much, but we'll check it carefully. Our final trade of the week is a small one. Canada retail sales, 8 a.m. on Friday. But some good events this week. NOPA Crush, family money. Retail sales, family money. API, family money. So make sure you get into the trade room. Become a member if you're not a member. You can do it on this report. Look at this. Just click the link here. 10-Minute Trades Pro Membership. You can join with us, and then I'll see you in the trade room next week, and you can learn to trade all these great reports with us. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the room.